Let's check out some useful bathroom hacks that you will want to try out immediately. Blocked toilet? Cover the toilet with plastic wrap. The increased air pressure will help to unclog the toilet quickly. If a suction cup hook won't stay on, try putting face cream on it. Works again perfectly. Glue residue on a mirror? Remove it using a scraper. The mirror will be as good as new. If your bathrobe is too loose, just change the way you tie up the belt. This way, it will fit much more snugly. Spray some shaving cream on the floor around the toilet. This will give the bathroom a fresh scent. If your toothbrush holder is too big, try this creative idea. Fill it with hydrogel beads that will absorb water. This way, the toothbrushes will always remain upright. These annoying, grimy buildups often form in the corners of the shower cubicle. To remove them easily, use a scraper. Much better. Dirty toothbrush? Use a denture's cleaning tablet. An immediate cleaning action. If you don't have the key, you can always try this hack. Privacy assured. Did you know that shaving cream is an excellent remedy to prevent a mirror from fogging up? Simply apply it over the entire mirror, remove the excess with a clean cloth, and you're done.